This video will show registered clients how to open a live account. If you have not yet registered or opened an account, check out our video, How to Register and Open a Live Account. Click on Login at the top right. Enter your registered email address and password to log into our portal. You can now access our portal and WebTrader platform. Click on the Demo tab and then select Add Account. Fill out your address and date of birth. Click on Next. Congratulations! Your live account has been created. You can now begin your trading journey.